Hey everyone, it's Sakura, and today I'm gonna go ham on this sketchbook. I really hope I finish it. If I don't, I'm probably making a two-parter, but I'm just gonna draw in this sketchbook and get it done because I've had this one for almost 3 years. I just want it gone and out of my way. As you can see here, I started it on the 23rd of July in 2016. And that means in about 3 months, is that enough? April, May, June, July. Okay, in about 4 months, this is going to be 3 years old, and I don't want this tiny, admittedly it's thick, it's a very thick sketchbook, but I don't want this tiny thing to have plagued me for 3 years. It just feels wrong. Because in the meantime that I've had this sketchbook, I've finished a whole bunch of other sketchbooks. I just want to finish it because I've had it very long, and I want it gone. I want to do a video on it, and I want to put it away. The thing about this one, I think the main reason why this one has been such a chore to finish is that I put limitations on it. You see on the front it says fashion doodles, and that's because I dedicated it to my Ichiban Idol characters, which from the beginning was just Mars and Venus. But as it progressed, I added Ion, and now most recently, I added Queen. So did I mention that at the start I've already done this intro like twice, but I have 2 sketches here that I'm working on. I don't feel like they're finished, so I'm gonna do a bit more work on them before I move on to actually drawing new stuff. Majority of all these doodles in this sketchbook have references, mostly from Pinterest, mostly of various clothing models and photo models and whatever. Do have about 23, 24 pages left. I did a count, but I forgot to actually remember that count. I am just gonna get started and do some doodles.
Okie doke, we're getting towards the end of the video, and it's gonna be a two-parter. I did finish, in this video I think there's 9 sketches. I did finish like 12 actually, but I only show you the first 9. So I'm saving the other, I don't know, 14, 15, whatever it turns out to be. No, that's too much. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I used a variety of mediums. I've actually discovered that my Polychromos pencils work fairly well on this waxy sort of non-cooperative paper, and I really liked that. I also decided to include all the references I used just to show you that I'm using references and what they look like and whatnot. What else? I don't think I have much more. The Posca markers are definitely the one tool that works the best on this paper because it's acrylic paint, so it sticks. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this first part, and I do hope, cross my fingers, hope to die that I get the next one up on Friday. I do plan to do that because I just want to, I want this sketchbook gone. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon again. Bye!